Alright guys, back again. We've got Miller here. He's going to switch gears, go to 2012 Bowman Draft Jumbo. Good luck, buddy. Alright. Refractor, Jose Barrios. Trevor Bauer, Matt Moore rookies. Yu Darvish rookie. Refractor autograph, Andrew Haney. There's our first auto. DJ Davis refractor. Refractor autograph, Corey Seager. I'll see some color here, please. Travis Jankowski, refractor. Shane Watson, 250, orange. Bruce Maxwell seems to follow you around, this product. 500, paper blue. Cespedes rookie in there. Drew Hutchinson, refractor rookie. And last pack should have an autograph. And it is Lewis Brinson, base auto. And that'll do it. Alright, Josh, again, buddy, appreciate it.